little bit bigger.
We are now standing outside the two-story Hakodate Station that was rebuilt in 2016. Inside you will find a few shops, a ramen restaurant on the second floor, an information center, and a courier service to forward your luggage. Earlier this morning we checked out of the Lakeview Toya Nonokaze Resort and took the Hokuto Limited Express from Toya Station to Hakodate Station. The 2-hour ride was mostly along the coast of Uchiura Bay. Upon arrival at Hakodate Station, commuters are greeted by the Liberation of Hakodate mural, which is made up of 1,165 ceramic pieces stretching 27 meters long, designed by sculptor Masayuki Nagare. I feel like we just came down the street. Sound system with a vacuum tube amplifier, and I can't wait to grind my own coffee. Let's go explore the area and see some beautiful architecture. Built in 1910, this colonial-style building is an example of the Meiji-era Western-style wooden architecture. It was used by citizens as a meeting place and also as an office for the Chamber of Commerce. So we made it to Hakodate and we are grabbing a snack at the Jolly Jellyfish located in the old government building. Overlooking Tomoe Port on the slope of Mount Hakodate stands Funadama Jinja, which is the oldest shrine in Hokkaido. The god of the sea and tidal currents are enshrined here, which provides safety for navigating the ocean. It is visited by students preparing for exams, job hunters, and those who are navigating life's decisions. Japan is known for its many Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines. The next site is unique and represents Western-style buildings in Hakodate. The Russian Orthodox Church was the first purpose-built Orthodox Christian church in Japan, built in 1860. The first and original was destroyed in the Great Hakodate Fire in 1907 and rebuilt in 1916. To this day, it is still being used and known among the locals as Gangan Temple for the melodic sound of its bells, which has also been selected as one of the 100 Best Sounds of Japan. Let's head back to the hotel and get ready for dinner. We still haven't had any live crab on this trip yet, and so I'm hoping to find a live seafood restaurant. We just finished our dinner here at Hakodate Seafood Restaurant Kaijyu. Inside are many clean tanks of live seafood to choose from, which include a variety of crab, shellfish, and sea cucumbers. After being seated, the server brought the oshibori for us to wipe our hands, and the otoshi, which is a complimentary appetizer. Eating crab was our priority, and after learning it is sold by weight and can be prepared to liking, we agreed upon this kigani crab and allowed the chef to cook it the preferred method.
Are you enjoying it?
Let's see. It's good.
I agree, it's good.
Wow.
Nice and tender.
The difference is crunchy when it's sashimi and tender when it's cooked.
Wow, the view is amazing. No wonder it's so popular.